Okay, we officially entered Chikmagalur. Just got a call from my wife. There's a cobra in my house.
Chino, eh?
Hello, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another vlog. It's 4:40 in the morning, 4:49 already. The off-road hunters are heading towards Chikmagalur.
Congratulations, brother.
It's only the three of us this time, me, Mr. Rafi and Mr. Faraz. But whatever, man, we are heading towards Chikmagaluru. Namma Chikmagaluru. I've made the itinerary and stuff. We are gonna do a lot of off-road trails, so that is the main intention of going so far. And of course to enjoy the weather that is there, and to enjoy the hills, and that also is there. So this technically can be called Malnad Diaries retake. It's a pleasant morning and I've just left for 20 minutes, I guess. Yeah, you can't even call that sleeping, but whatever, man. I did sleep for 20 minutes and closed my eyes for 45 minutes. So yeah, win-win situation for me. I just hope I'm able to stay awake till I reach Chikmagalur, and then I will get a small power nap before we head out to do the trails of the day. Welcome to Bengaluru. This is the reality. It's not even 5 o'clock. It's exactly 5 o'clock and this 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗵 signal is annoying, man. I told these guys that we'll go through Yeshwantpur, but they were like confident that nothing will be there and then the bike will be able to go. Idigen Uttara Kodtiyappa, Surya. I'll stop ahead maybe after Nelmagna signal and get some good coffee, hopefully, and then continue on the road. It's gonna take us 4.5 hours maybe, but what is this? A crazy start.
A few moments later.
It's a Saturday and there are a lot of people on the road. We almost got stuck in the 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗵, but there was a ride there towards Hesakata and we somehow escaped the flyover traffic. A lot of bikers on the road, man, today. I hope not everyone's going towards Chikmagalur. Anyways, we are not gonna do any touristy thing in Chikmagalur.
Corona, go! Corona, go! Go, Corona! Go, Corona!
Okay, now we've reached the intersection. We're supposed to take a left towards Bengaluru. All these guys are going towards Chikmagalur, dude.
Abba, lottery.
So we've entered the Bengaluru highway. We'll be stopping ahead to have like a coffee and then continue on the road. Mr. Faraz helped me push the lavalier down, so now it's better. I don't feel the lavalier. It had gone a little on top and it is kind of poking, but now it's better. When I stop, I'll get the recording checked once because after talking so much and after getting my throat right, if it's still cracking, I don't know what else to do.
Corona, go! Corona, go! Go, Corona! Go, Corona!
First insect on my helmet, man. Lot of guys going towards Chikmagalur. Bikers, cars, TTs, big buses. But luckily we have Mr. Rafi's house to stay, so we don't have to spend unnecessary money on homestays and stuff. Oh, what is the full dinchak? So after a brief pit stop, we are heading back. We are heading back on the road, man. Next stop we'll be doing is for breakfast, hopefully. Ravi, chalo. The beautiful road from Kunigal to Chikmagalur. Such a neat highway, man.
Eventually,
We were supposed to stop at Haldimane. I don't know, man, I missed it. So we're gonna stop ahead for breakfast. But before we stop for breakfast, I came across some rather interesting board here. Shimsha Nadi. Never heard of this Nadi, man. It's more like a lake than Nadi. I'm sure there's some dam there and they're blocking the road, blocking the flow of Shimsha Nadi. Kinda hungry, so yeah, I'm up for some yummy South Indian food. Some good dosas, some good idli vada. I can eat just one of it, but just giving you an idea of what I'm craving for currently.
That's what she said.
My bike has run 9,955 kilometers, so I'm gonna be completing the 10,000 mark in the Chikmagalur trade trip. So, woohoo! Jack the Ripper would be 10,000 kilometers old. After a yummy breakfast of a good dosa, we are heading back on the road. The Hassan is around 90 kilometers, so our stop would be after Hassan next. We don't want to stop a lot and waste time, man. It has started to become hot AF. Yarre, Hasna. We finally reached Hassan. So what we do is go on the same bypass towards Sakleshpur, and there's a small right turn there. So that's a
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
The area is called Tanneeru Halla. So we go take a right there ahead, and that connects us to the Chikmagalur road, and we completely avoid the Hasana city. Feeling damn sleepy, man. Listening to some heavy music while riding so that I can stay awake. Now we're going to stop after maybe around 10 minutes, take a break, and then directly to Chikmagalur. So we're almost there. Maximum 1 more hour.
inches later.
So technically, once you reach Hassan on the way to Chikmagalur, you almost made it like 80%. Some 20% of the road is left. Yeah, that is the highway where you're supposed to take a left and continue straight. Oh. Mr. Rafi's tank is already over. I think he has to refuel. What is that? Is it an adventure or a super bike, dude? Yeah, here you take a right. Instead of going straight into the city again, you take a right and you go towards Bengaluru. We've come 194 kilometers from Bengaluru, so we have our last stretch of 50 kilometers to our place in Mr. Rafi's house. Chikmagalur is a very special place for us because my grandmom was born in Chikmagalur, and I do have a lot of relatives in Chikmagalur. I've gone to Chikmagalur maybe 100 times at least, but this is the first vlogging session I'll be doing in Chikmagalur.
Congratulations, brother. Congratulations.
The current plan of today is go relax for some time and then have lunch on the way and head out towards 𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗵 road. There's a off-road track down the hill towards a falls. I think the falls is called 𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗵 Falls. 𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗶, yeah, I think it's called 𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗶. They have named it very recently. Before we used to call it by the name of the ex-MLA Sagir Ahmad Falls because it's inside his estate. So our plan is to go explore the off-road of that. We are kind of skeptical whether they let us go or no, because these Jeep people kind of run a mafia there. They don't let anyone else go. You have to pay the Jeep people to let you go inside, and they take you in their Jeep. So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that they let us go inside. That'll be fun. Oh shit, I forgot Dettol, man. I need to buy Dettol. That's like a proper leaf territory. Our objective is to reach before like peak summertime, which is around 11 o'clock, and now it's 9:30. The Western Ghats are finally here. Welcome to Chikmagalur, land of coffee. Coffee, I love coffee, bro.
ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗ್ತದ ನಿನಗೆ?
Oh, one more store opening here, dude. Nice. This is Karnataka. We are open to all sorts of commercialization. No wonder everyone else from all neighboring states and from North India, they want to come settle down in Bangalore or Karnataka, because there is no other state like Karnataka, bro. Namma Nadu, come on. Elleru ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ರೀ, ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ದೇಶ ಇದು.
Okay, now we went to Chikmagalur city. You can't call this a city, but more like a town. Suswagata, Coffee Naadu, Chikmagaluru. We're almost reaching Mr. Rafi's house, and this is it, Rahman's residence. Oopsie.